put in my flange right here. Gonna install that with some thin set that I just mixed. A few times I mixed it to make sure that it's mixed well and nice and smooth. And with that, I just want you to know this piece that I glued in yesterday is a pan made out of styrene. It's already in, it's solid, and got it through these guys, Prova. Okay, you can get that online. I got it through eBay for the cheaper price. It comes in 4 feet by 4 feet, and you can cut it as I did, because right now this is 3 feet by 3 feet, because that's what I needed. Okay, so I'm going to glue this in now. And also this I got in, this is also a Prova. I picked this up online at Menards, I guess Menards. They were cheaper by about $30 actually. And I think it cost me just under $40. So I got this, and it comes with the drain and everything. All right, so I'm gonna put this in right now. All right, so I had mixed all this before. Okay, I'm back. I had to remove the flange when I put it in because the thin set was too thin. I needed to make it a little thicker, more like mud, and I did that. So I left some on, kind of like an adhesive for the rest of the mud to stick to. So I'm going to lay it in now, and I'm going to take it from there. Here we go. Now when I press this down, I'm not going to press very hard. I just want it to be, just want it to find its own way, and that's it. And then I'll remove the excess. There will be excess, that's for sure. So I'm laying it on pretty thick. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Alright, again, I said this needs to be flush with what you got going out there. So you're going to squeeze it, and that's about it. I'm going to come back for the trial. Pressing down, I want it to be flush and even with everything else. That's it. It needs to be consistent all the way around. No lumps. Like that. Okay. Okay, you're looking good. Notice I'm not really pressing it down. There's no need for that. Alright, that's that. Okay, it's time to put the thin set onto the pan, the styrene pan. So we're just gonna lay it out there and get it started. I'm gonna do one half at a time, and it doesn't have to be very thick. I'm only gonna go about 1/8 of an inch to 3/16 of an inch, and then I'm going to smoothen her out and take it from there. And that's it. So let's see what we have here. A little bit more. That should be enough. All right. Let's see. A little bit more here. Okay. So right now I'm just going to smoothen it out, pan it out, and then we'll come back later. Create some grooves. Groovy man. Groovy man. Just putting a thin layer on, that's all. That's all is needed. Once I get the grooves in there, I'll be fine. So it's basically just going flush with it, nice and smooth. And then you can take it from there. See how nice and smooth it is? Yeah, okay. A little more here. A little more there. I think we're ready to rock and roll, actually. Okay, let's make a little mess here, a little mess there. Hey, it happens. All right, here we go. Again, I just want it to be smooth, that's all. Because all it needs to do is stick to it, and we'll be done with it. And again, I'm coming back here around the flange, put a little bit more in there to create a better adhesive bind. Okay, so okay, now we get a little groovy man. Here we go. Some areas have a little bit more than others. Some areas need more, so you gotta, you know, compensate, take a little off where it's too much and come back and put a little bit more, like I'm doing now. And that's it. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to do this. Just steady hand. And as I said, I'm coming back here, around here, to put some in the corner. I need some over here. Okay. Alright, that's done. Now I'm going to roll it out. Now I had some on the other side because I had put it in the wrong way, but that's no big deal. Now, the big thing here is you got to get the air bubbles out. Okay, I folded it over. Now I'm going to do this side, same way as did the other side. I'm going to come back around the flange again to make sure that I get a nice bond there. There's no loose areas or corners or what have you. So there we are. We're getting it little by little, or lenter by lenter. We get it done. All right. A little more here. Okay. Okay, now, here we go. Time to trowel. Don't need a whole lot. Take it a little off. Okay. Okay, I think we're ready to rock and roll. Okay, here we go. Alright, so now, again, we're going to take this knife, the spatula knife, I call it. We're going to smoothen it out to the edges, okay, so it bonds nicely. Just push it down, start from the center and work your way out. See the crease here? We're going to get rid of that crease right now. And get rid of the crease by pressing it down and taking it to the edge. Okay? I'm going to take it, smooth it right out, just like that. There you go. You see some of that blood coming out? That's okay. You want that. You want to make sure you got a nice bond. Get rid of the air bubbles, anything else that may be there. Okay. Okay, I'm going to take all this out because I want this to be left clean for when the tiles actually go in. So clean it. And that's it for now, folks.